Welcome to the Bark and Bite. My name is Brandon Baker of Black Dog Barbecue, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make loaded baked beans on Charbroil's brand new 3-burner gas grill and griddle. Let's check it out. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite barbecue sides, which is baked beans. And these aren't just any baked beans, these are loaded baked beans. So we're going to be adding in all the fixings. We're going to have bacon, we're going to have sausage, as well as sauteed onions and bell peppers. Together, that is an absolutely delicious combination that makes one of the best sides you can possibly have. So you could actually make this all the way from scratch if you wanted to. Get the navy beans, the brown sugar, and all the fixings. To me, at the end of the day, the canned beans taste great, and it's also so much more time efficient to be able to just go ahead and pick up the beans at the store and then load it up with your favorite sides. So as far as the ingredients go, it really is pretty simple. We've got about 5 ingredients here. So I've got a spicy sausage here, but really feel free to go with whatever variety that you like. The bacon, that's going to be a thick cut variety. I got a hickory smoked version here, which I personally love, but I do recommend going with a thick cut bacon whenever possible. It just tastes better, it cooks better, it's a lot easier to work with. And then we've just got your vegetables here. So we've got onions and bell peppers that we're going to dice up and saute, and that's going to be about it. We're going to add all these in for him to make this delicious side. Let's check it out. All right, so this is all we're doing for the prep work, really. We just diced up those onions and bell peppers. We're gonna throw these on the griddle here in just a second, as well as the bacon, and get that sausage cooking on the grill. And then we're gonna mix all this in with the baked beans and call it a day. Today, we're gonna be cooking up these loaded baked beans on Charbroil's brand new 3-burner gas grill and griddle. And you guys have seen me cook on this before. It's honestly one of my favorite grills to cook on, especially on the weeknights, because of the fact that it heats up super quick and you can cook a lot of food on it. So very handy, especially with kids in the house, helps get food on the table quicker, keeps everybody's bellies full and people happy. So love anything that can speed up that dinner process, and this absolutely does it. But today what I want to show you is the new griddle insert that Charbroil has made for their gas grill. And this is so exciting to me because I absolutely love cooking on a griddle. And the fact that I can have a large griddle insert that goes into my gas grill makes this even more convenient. So we've still got some space over here. I'm gonna cook the sausage over here today, while I've got the bacon, the peppers, and the onions going on the griddle. Now, the last thing I do want to show you is one of my favorite features about this grill too, is the fact we've got the side burner, right? And so I absolutely love making sauces. And so a lot of times while I'm making my primary protein, I'll be making a sauce on the side, and that's where I do it. It heats up in a hurry, provides a lot of power with its burner, so it's super convenient. Absolutely love using that feature. So today we'll be using that to heat up the baked beans and mix in all the ingredients at the end. But right now I'm about to get the grill started up, and then we're gonna get ready to start cooking. Got just enough room over there for the Kaneka. Got some fantastic color. Got some beautiful looking bacon. We're good to go. No better time to clean the griddle than right after you get done cooking. We are good to go. All right, so we just took the sausage off the grill and we cooked that up in about 10 minutes, cooking around 400 degrees the entire time. Flipped it one time and that was it. Super simple to cook, and the only thing left we have to do here is we're just gonna slice it up so we can throw it on the baked beans. Some of these guys definitely are making it to the beans. Those look delicious. Same thing with the bacon, dicing it up. Last step, we're gonna combine all the ingredients. Adding one more can of beans for good measure. Now just mixing it up. We're gonna throw this on the side burner just long enough to heat it up, then we're done. We just took the loaded beans off the side burner and they're good to go. Now, most of this I'm gonna save for later tonight. I've got some ribs cooking as well as some coleslaw that I'm gonna make to go with this. But before I let this cool at room temperature and put it in the fridge, we're definitely gonna give it a try. That is absolutely delicious. I tell you what, if you bring this to your next cookout, it's definitely gonna be a hit. This is the perfect example that bacon makes everything better. That bacon and spicy sausage, great addition to these beans. You could honestly skip making anything else and just eat this by itself. It's definitely heavy, but it is really, really good. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you again, everybody, for following along. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give us a like as always, and subscribe to the channel for more great content that we've got coming. And until then, see you next time.